Today we're going to explain the sound of Fatha. Fatha is this small line on top of all those letters, and we sound it as A. Repeat after me. A. Small line on top of all those letters, and I will take the sound, the sound of the first letter, and apply the A to it. Like this is, we're going to start from the Ba. Ba, that's the letter. With the Fatha is going to be Ba. And this box will show you the letters at the beginning, in the middle how it looks, and at the end. So repeat after me. A, Tha, Kha, Ra, Sha. So I take the first sound of the letter, I say sh, and then add the A to it. Sha, Ta, Gha, Ka, Na. All of those letters, how they look at the beginning of a word. Now let's look at the letter, how it looks in the middle. Some of them at the end, like this Hamza, that's how it looks at the end of a word. A, Tha, Kha, Ra, Sha, Ta, Gha, Ka, Na. And this extra line you see around here, that means it's connected to the letter before it to make a word. Now we're going to start also from the Hamza. The sound of Hamza is A. A. And that's how the letters looks at the end of a word. Tha, Kha, Ra, Sha, Ta, Gha, Ka, Na, Ba, Ja, Da, Za, Sa, Va, Fa, La, Ha. Ba. Repeat after me. Ja, Da, Za, Sa, Va, Fa, La, Ha. Again, this is Ba at the end of a word. Ba, Ja, Da, Za, Sa, Va, Fa, La, Ha, Ta, Ha, Dha, Sa, Da, A, Qa, Ma, Wa. This is letters in the middle of a word. Ta, Ha, Dha, Sa, Da, A, Qa, Ma, Wa. Letters at the end. This is letters at the end. This is the letter Ta when it's at the end and it's not connected to any letter from here or from here. Ta, Ta, Ha, Dha, Sa, Da, ع ق ما و. Now the last line here, this is the Hamza when it's at the end, and Hamza cannot be connected from this side or from this side when it's this shape. So we say a. This is when the Hamza in the middle. A, and it has a small chair under it. Whenever I have a wow on top of it, Hamza, I will pronounce the Hamza. I will say a. This is a ya. Hamza on top of it, I will still say a. No, I'm not going to pronounce the ya or the wow because they're just a chair for this Hamza. A. So again, this line. A. 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 This is the letter ya. 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 And ya. جزاكم الله خيرا. السلام عليكم.